Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to operate the washing machine with the door open like this. So we're going to start with this right now. So first step, switch on the washing machine. Yeah, right this way. Oh, sorry. So now this machine has switched on. Now we're gonna open this, and if the machine is off, we're gonna switch off the power. Now we're gonna take a pointed knife. Not used for this, but if someone comes in between, just kill him with this knife. So actually, keep this knife with you and just enter this in this hole. Yeah, right. You see that? Yeah, this, and then you're gonna just press this. See? So you're gonna hear a click, and the machine is starting. Now, I don't know what's the problem. Now this is how this will act. Don't try this at home or any hotel because it will damage your washing machine. Thank you and have a nice day.